Redefining luxury. Drive de Vilbis Healthcare are thrilled to launch the AIRFOLD PRO, their all-new carbon fibre auto-folding scooter. This state-of-the-art scooter combines an innovative carbon fibre frame, effortless auto-folding technology, and an impressive cutting-edge appearance, resulting in an exceptional and exciting addition to the powered mobility industry. Developed to provide a first-class experience when travelling, the AIRFOLD PRO is our most compact folding scooter, making it ideal for transportation and storage in a car boot, train, coach or aeroplane. It really is astonishingly small, and combined with the lightweight carbon fibre frame, provides ultimate portability. With a stylish and strong carbon fibre frame, the AIRFOLD PRO is super lightweight at less than 20 kilograms with the batteries removed, so it is incredibly easy to carry and manoeuvre. The AIRFOLD PRO auto-folds or unfolds in 20 seconds and can be activated using the key, the handy remote control, or the new innovative contactless card, so operating the scooter couldn't be easier. For peace of mind, should you ever run out of charge, this great model can also be folded manually. This folds unlike most other scooters, folding with the seat facing outwards. The comfortable padding of the seat provides an extra layer of protection when lifting the AIRFOLD PRO in and out of car boots. This unique folding mechanism allows for easy access to the batteries and contributes to the overall small, folded footprint. The beauty of auto-folding scooters is that there's no need to assemble or disassemble. A simple touch of a button and you're away. The sleek, slimline carbon fibre frame, cutting-edge design complete with front, side and rear lights, delivers an impressive and attractive appearance. With paddle hand grips, a padded seat and padded backrest providing a comfortable ride, and the height-adjustable tiller ensures easy reach for driver comfort. The digital LCD screen displays speed, battery power, travel time and mileage. Plus it includes a horn, a handy USB port for charging small devices, and an easy access on-board charging point. The AIRFOLD PRO has a maximum speed of 4 miles per hour. It can travel up to 9.3 miles on a full battery charge. It also features puncture-proof tyres, electromagnetic brakes, and has anti-tip wheels for your safety and peace of mind. The AIRFOLD PRO is an exciting example of the next generation of scooters, combining an impressive appearance, cutting-edge materials, and innovative features to truly enhance the user experience, promote independence and well-being. For more information on this exciting new scooter, or to find details of your local Drive de Vilbis stockist, please visit drivedevilbis.co.uk.